Biosimilars can, at least it was within the authority of the Food and Drug Administration, to grant the higher level of interchangeability designation to biosimilars. And when we talk about interchangeability, we're talking about the capacity for a pharmacist to substitute a product without the physician prescriber's intervention. We're also talking about FDA saying that you could switch back and forth between the innovator product and the biosimilar without any negative clinical consequences. So that would definitely make certain elements of utilization of biosimilars more easy to occur, but we do not know, again, under what circumstances FDA is going to allow that to take place. The FDA has said that thus far they are not going to grant that interchangeability designation upon initial approval. If a company wishes to pursue that, it's going to be at some point later down the road after a more detailed profile of how that drug is actually working in the clinical setting begins to occur, and you have more evidence to substantiate that you can actually do those things, utilize the product, switch back and forth, and that there's no greater outcome of clinical adverse events. But FDA has not given any guidance as to what that higher standard will entail, how hard will it be, what additional information will be required. And that, in some respects, is probably, to some extent, limiting the rate at which biosimilar companies are attempting to bring their products to market. I think many organizations would like greater clarity on that. Exactly how hard will it be? What, again, additional information, additional clinical trials, if any, will be required to substantiate interchangeability. So it is something that remains to be seen exactly how that will transition. It's interesting to note, that in the European Union they do not make any differentiation between a biosimilar and an interchangeable product. They just grant their products as biosimilars. They leave it up to the individual countries to decide which product they're going to choose and what requirements there might be for physician prescribing. So although it's neat that we have this higher standard, we don't know exactly quite how it's going to pan out.